Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use different resources in Android using XML, means without coding and with coding. So let's get started. For that we need to add some components on our layouts. Add one image and the source and set the constraint for this horizontal center and set of margin, let's say 8, and change this size. I have already created image size, image 200 dp, so and change the height same as this. Now you can see I used dimension resources through XML or through layout editor. In next in GUI mode I will also tell you how to change the resources or use resources through code XML editor view. So like here you want to change the label from XML editor, so here you need to change this label. As discussed, you always your resource name start from type, like I am applying string type, so it's string dot submit. Okay, now you can see it's changed. Apart from this, you can also change your background color of your button. Background is because we are trying to use color, so red color. And test color is means you will always remember this thing, your resource name will start from their type, like it's a color, then it starts at the rate color. If it's a dimension, at the rate dimension. If it's a drawable, at the rate drawable, so on. Okay, so white, you are able to see a layout, button, background and text color has been changed. If you want to change the label of this hello world, they can also change. You can also add resources like this, like I want to use some hard code value. This is my message, okay, and you want to this is a bad practice, you never do that, because if you are later you want to change some string and some resources, then you need to go into each file and replace this hard code value. But if you use these value in this way, you will take this value from resource file. Then if you want to later you want to change something, you will don't need to open any different file and change there. You need to change only one place and it will effect on all places. So always use resources. So like I want to move this hard coded value to my string resource file, then you are able to see it's done in this way. Like I will show you, I will where it's like it's in a value and open strings, you are able to, this is my message, it moved to this. Okay, so run this and let's do some add some more component, and this time we give some use some resources through programming, not using XML. So set the horizontal in parent and set the top constraint to 0 dp, and as well as add one more test view, and set the constraint for this test view horizontal, and here set the top constraint 0. Now we want to we will apply some resource value through programming. Let's move to our programming part, Java, this main activity. Here first you want to get those component here so that you can use those component in XML component in programming. For that you need to do these steps. Let private let private let init var like button, and its type is button. Private let init var test view. Now initialize these, import these classes here. Okay, and now initialize these values. Button find view by id r dot id dot button 2 or 4. Let's check what is the id of this button 4 and test id is test view 2. So button 4 is referring that button, and test view is also referring newly added test view, and test view 2. Now change the some values. Button dot test is equal to get string r dot string dot submit by programming, and test view test get string r dot string dot my call is, and test view dot background color r dot color dot red, and same here. Like we want to change the color of background color of button as well, so here we want to change yellow. Now run your program again and see what is also, like you want to change the image from different image, private, latent, var image view, okay.